Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you this Dollarama haul that I have here. So let's get to it. So the first thing that I bought, and I've never seen this vine twine. So it's actually the vine and has little flowers and that on it. I hadn't seen that before, so I thought I would pick up one and just give it a whirl. So again, it was only $1.25. That's perfect. I like to make hot cocoa, the reindeer, and so I needed some googly eyes, and I probably have enough, but you know, I love making them for the kids at our craft fair that we have, which probably won't happen this year. But and then I found for the first time, I think this is the first time I've seen it. If not, then I probably have a bunch. Is these leaves, and so I got the glitter gold and then the glitter silver, and then I just got the gold. I do like using these pieces when I do some embellishments, so I picked up those. And then I found these. This is in the wedding section, and these are cute little flowers. They call them embellishments, and they're stickers. Well, they're adhesive. So I thought they were super adorable. So I got 2 packages of those. That'd be great to add on to things. I love the white and the gold. So that's those. And then I saw this gift bow, and I thought, oh my God, that's so adorable. I just love it. And I love the look and the colors that are in there. Isn't that beautiful? It's a little freaky, kind of like that. So I picked that up as well. I need to get into my craft room. Once I'm done all my camping, I'll be able to get some organization in here. And then I saw these shell stickers. So, and they are, if you get up close, you can see they have the lines in them like the shells. So I thought those were cute. So I got them in pink. They did come in other colors, but I did like the pink the most. And then I saw these, and I thought they'd be great little trinket dishes for on my desk here. So I thought I would pick up a couple of those, and I might be able to put some embellishment pieces in there while I'm creating or when I'm working with beads. So I thought those were great. So I bought 4 of those. And I bought this as soon as I seen these. I said, I have to get this for someone. So this is going to be going out as happy mail to somebody. And of course, you guys, once you guys see it, you'll probably know who this is for. So I thought I saw it and I said, I got to send it. So this is, again, still from Dollarama, and it's just a little notebook, but they're all of donuts. Sorry, I should get into frame here. So it's all of the donuts. It's a cute little notebook. So this is the part that opens. And then I saw these little rattle thingies here. I'm not sure what they do, but this person likes the donuts. They're so cute. Look at the little sparkles or sprinkles that are on there. That's that. And then I saw the 2 luggage tags as well, so I figured you can't go wrong with that. So I got that person 2 of those as well. So right now, that's all I have for a Dollarama haul. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.